where this man, this young man, is charged with multiple counts. Now, he's charged with first-degree reckless homicide for Joseph Rosenbaum, but then he's charged with first-degree intentional homicide with Anthony Huber, and then attempted first-degree intentional homicide for Grosskreutz. That distinction between reckless and intentional, what are you going to be looking out for there and how it plays out in this case?
Mitigating factors. What comes into play to bring down the level of intent? Not only that, when they charge it as reckless, really it brings down the elements of which or the standard of which, not the standard, but the elements of which they have to prove. The standard remains the same, but they bring down a little bit of really the high burden that they have to prove of intent. With recklessness, they're going to be able to show some items here that show that reasonableness is really at play. And the expert really plays a hand right into that. This is an expert witness who's testifying as to whether or not deadly force was reasonable. And so that's going to constantly be a conflict throughout the life of this trial from both sides of the bench.
But, Nicole, for the defense, does the idea of reasonable use of deadly force, self-defense, is it the same standard whether it's reckless homicide or intentional homicide? Are they going to be arguing the same thing?
I think they really are.